welcome to Run Deals. So I have these amazing wireless earbuds that I wanted to share with you today. So these are wireless and USB-C chargeable. So the cool thing about these is they do use Bluetooth 5.1 technology. So you can also use a wireless charging pad if that's what you want to use. The first thing that you're going to see inside here is the user manual. If you take a look closely, you have a QR code to activate your lifetime warranty. So definitely make sure and get that set up. You also have a USB charging cable inside. I'll go ahead, open the box and show you the charging cable here. So here is your USB-C charging cable. And then you have a case here, a charging case. One of the great things about this charging case is you do have a dual LED digital display screen. Go ahead and hold it up closely so that you can see. The battery life of both the right and left earbud. It shows you how much battery life that you have. So these earbuds do have immersive stereo sound, so they're going to sound fantastic. They also have a touch sensor here on the earbud. With the touch sensor, you're going to be able to take calls, end calls, go through and listen to all your favorite music. If you want to change the song, you're going to be able to do so just using that touch sensor, so hands-free for everything. These are IPX7 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about sweating or getting water on them. You also have a built-in microphone in each earbud, so you're going to have crystal clear calls. The design is very ergonomic. They have a very comfortable fit. You can shake your head around, you can move, and the earbud is not going to fall out. So they're going to be perfect for playing sports, running, jogging, any kind of movement-oriented activity. These are going to be absolutely perfect. So if you're in the market for a set of new earbuds, I would highly recommend these. So I also wanted to let you know that you do have up to 35 hours of use with the charging case. So plenty of time while you're out on the go to use the earbuds. Definitely check them out.